How to search and replace text in a file. How do I search and replace text in a file using Python 3? Here is my code. Input file. When I search and replace RAM by apt in above input file, it works as a charm. But when I do it vice versa, i.e. replacing apt by RAM, some junk characters are left at the end. Replacing apt by RAM.
You can do the replacement like this.
As pointed out by Mikhail958, you cannot replace in place with data of a different length because this will put the rest of the sections out of place. I disagree with the other posters suggesting you read from one file and write to another. Instead, I would read the file into memory, fix the data up, and then write it out to the same file in a separate step. Unless you've got a massive file to work with which is too big to load into memory in one go, or you are concerned about potential data loss if the process is interrupted during the second step in which you write data to the file.
File input already supports in-place editing. It redirects out to the file in this case.
As Jack Adley had posted and JFS pointed out, this code will not work. But this code will work, I've tested it. Using this method, fill-in and file-out can be the same file, because Python 3.3 will overwrite the file upon opening for write.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.